Greetings, to all symposium participants. On this occasion, allow me to present our scientific article, with the title, Clustering Patterns of Food Crops to Increase Community Income in Papua Province. My name, Augustinus Hartapo. With my colleagues, that is, Anjar Prasidia, Jax Yuta, Hiri Wahidiantu, Albert Saplanet, Betty Putri Herwijayanti. The systematics of the article is presented as follows. 1. Background to the problem. 2. Methods. 3. Research results. And 4. Conclusions. Well, let's start from the first one on the next slide. First, introduction. So far, the potential for sweet potato in Papua Province has only provided traditional benefits, as the second staple food after rice/sago, and has not provided benefits, for improving the economy, of the people of Papua. To obtain optimal benefits, a pilot model is needed for the development, of the sweet potato processing industrial cluster, so that all parties interested in, the development of this commodity, can directly see the development model being applied. Objective study. The aim is, to describe, and analyze sweet potato as, a superior product in industrial clusters, through the application of a development model, and analyze the potential economic diversification, of sweet potato and the selling value, of the community in Papua Province. 2. Method. Disclosure of facts in the field in, a descriptive way using research instruments, observations, and interviews. Facts on the ground are, then analyzed, and given meaning. 3. Result and discussion. 3.1 Development of sweet potatoes as a local food source. In efforts to diversify food, by utilizing local food ingredients, sweet potatoes, are one of the solutions, to reduce dependence, on rice, and wheat. About 89% of sweet potato production, in Indonesia is used for food, the rest, is for animal feed, and industrial raw materials. Sweet potato agro-industry development, has good prospects. Processing technology into, various products, both, for household businesses, and small and large businesses, is available. Apart from being economically profitable, some of the processing can utilize small tubers, that have not been utilized so far. The development, of sweet potato processing, can be carried out, with a partnership system between small/medium, scale industries, and large industries by involving all stakeholders, from farmers to processors to obtain raw materials, and processed products that are guaranteed quality, and can compete in the market. 3.2 Industry Cluster, for main products of sweet potato. Based on, the roadmap for the development, of sweet potato leading product industry clusters, in Kiram Regency, Papua Province, several industrial clusters, for sweet potato superior products, in Kiram Regency, Papua Province, can be formed, including a small-scale, sweet potato industry cluster. This cluster is based, on the farmer level, which is supported by non-formal institutions, such as farmer groups, and customary institutions, as well as formal institutions, such as agricultural extension and banking. The output, of this cluster, is to produce sweet potato flour, as a raw material, to support derivative products, at the Papua local level. B. Medium scale, sweet potato industry cluster. This cluster obtains sweet potato raw materials, from farmers, then processed, by competent third parties, or private/agencies to produce flour ingredients, to be exported outside the region. See the first and second clusters, that have been formed, can involve policymakers and banking, and are accompanied, by researchers, and authorized agencies, to work together, to support the process, from cultivation and post-harvest to processing, into sweet potato flour. Last 4. Conclusion. The sweet potato commodity, has not been able to, make a significant contribution, to the agricultural sector, the food crop subsector, and the sweet potato commodity, in Papua Province. Industrial clusters, for superior sweet potato products, that can be developed in Papua province are small-scale, farmer-level based, sweet potato industry clusters supported by farmer groups and customary institutions. Medium-scale sweet potato industrial clusters, producing flour ingredients by third parties or private/agencies to be sold outside the region. The two clusters that have been formed need the support of policymakers, banks, and the assistance of researchers and extension workers to support the process from cultivation, post-harvest to processing, into sweet potato flour. And implications. To increase sweet potato production, so that it becomes a leading sector, land extensification is needed. It is also necessary to increase public interest in planting sweet potatoes. Improve prices so that farmers do not experience losses. The Department of Trade and Agriculture monitors market prices, especially for sweet potato commodities.